Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by going straight into lock screen options. Open Settings, then Lock Screen and tap Wallpaper Services. If you don't see Glance, use the search field and type Glance. Once found, tap the Glance provider entry to access its toggles. You're doing this now because the service controls the lock screen image feed. Disabling it here stops new wallpapers from cycling. Make sure you're logged into your Samsung account, because some toggles need account permissions to change. After opening the Glance entry, switch the service off and confirm any stop or disable prompts. This cuts the feed immediately. Next, go to Settings, right arrow Apps, find Glance or Glance for Samsung, then force Stop, Disable, and Clear Cache to prevent restart. Once done, open Permissions and revoke storage, location, and notification access. These things let Glance update images, so removing them prevents future activity. If a Disable button is grayed out, restart your phone to finalize changes, then lock and check the screen. The Glance wallpaper should be gone. If Glance still appears, go back to the app page and uninstall updates, or use a package disabler to hide the app. Those steps stop persistent system services. If problems continue, boot into safe mode to confirm whether a third-party app is re-enabling Glance. Once identified, uninstall that app. Remember, a reboot after each change helps the system apply new settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.